Hi, my name is Amanda, and I am with Tri-City Hearing, Cortland Hearing Aids, and Southern Tier Audiology Associates. I am going to give a tutorial on custom hearing aids. So first I'm going to go over that red goes in the right ear and blue goes in the left ear. On the hearing aid itself, there's a couple things I want to point out. The battery door is right here, and there's different battery door sizes depending on the size and the shape of the hearing aid that you chose. There's hearing aids that are really small and that will have a smaller size battery, and then there's a size in the middle, and then there's a size that's even bigger that will be a bigger battery. To put the battery in, you first have to peel the sticker off the battery, and then you place it into the hearing aid door. When you close the door, it turns the hearing aid on. When you open the door, it turns the hearing aid off. Some hearing aids have a button on it or maybe even a wheel. The button on it would be the button on the right hearing aid would raise the volume. The button on the left hearing aid would lower the volume. And the hearing aids that have a wheel on it, you would just turn the wheel forward if you're turning the volume up, backwards if you're turning the volume down. And pretty much all hearing aids work together, so you would just have to do one side and they would communicate together. The other pieces on the hearing aid are the microphones. So there's microphones, some hearing aids have a button and some hearing aids have a wheel. And some hearing aids have a plastic removal filament on it that's used to grab a hold of the hearing aid when it's in your ear to pull the hearing aid out. And then the tip that goes in the ear, all hearing aids have a wax guard, which is a screen that needs to get replaced. That I'll go over that as well. To put the hearing aid in the ear, this is the red one, so it's going to be in the right ear. So I would hold it in the right hand and hold it just the way it needs to be positioned in your ear. So the piece that goes in the canal, you're going to hold like that, and then the bulk of the hearing aid hold in this direction. So when you hold it up to your ear, you're going to bring it up to your ear without turning your hand and place it in the ear canal and use one of your fingers to just push it in place all the way. And then you would either grab a hold of the removal filament or grab a hold of the hearing aid to pull it out of your ear.